If we have learned anything from the last few years, it is that our health is threatened by invisible microscopic enemies. Practically without warning, we were made to realize that the harmony between people and the environment is much more fragile than we believed, and that our criteria for safety left much to be desired. Now we are much more aware of what we eat and breathe. Every day, the press, the TV, and the internet are full of messages on the importance of balance and informed development, but some are way ahead of the game. One example comes from the sector of farm animal nutrition, where one of the challenges is a correct distribution of active ingredients in feed. It is a complex matter because feed has dozens of ingredients, with differing and contrasting physical characteristics, and it is subject to varying forms of stress during processing. Dox-al came up with a possible solution: to create granules of a size and surface that maintains an even balance of additives and active ingredients in premixes and feeds. We named our process BMP Bi-Modal Protection. We take a mold. The mold has a surface, which can be the feed itself. This mold has to be readily available, economical, and with determined characteristics. It has to be able to absorb a liquid, which serves to bind an active ingredient. By bonding the particles to a larger particle, what did we do? We reduced the particles. Reducing the number of particles and increasing their size also means reducing the dispersion of powder into the air, safeguarding the health of workers. Thanks to its size of approximately 400 microns, the BMP granule cannot be inhaled, and it is blocked by the nasal filter. The almost complete absence of fine and extremely fine particles also significantly reduces environmental pollution. BMP technology has been designed to maintain the properties of the additives and the characteristics of the supplementary premixes and feeds unaltered throughout the stages of the supply chain, from the production of the premix to the addition of the same to the feed, to the animal. Premixes and feeds are subject to countless forms of stress throughout the production process. The compression test demonstrates that when subjected to a pressure of 3 tons, much higher than that experienced during loading and transportation, BMP granules can be easily portioned. BMP granules maintain their properties even when subjected to extremely high temperatures, for example during storage in the summer months or in particular stages of processing. The smooth flow of BMP granules through systems is fundamental in guaranteeing the even distribution of active ingredients, limiting waste and carryover, with flow times reduced to a minimum. The characteristics of BMP technology have also found application in the field, with successful results attracting worldwide attention. Over the course of our history, we have granted at least 40 manufacturing licenses, including to leading multinational companies in our sector. They have seen the validity of our technology and have applied it to some of their products. However, the success of BMP technology is not only measured by its performance. Its adoption also provides benefits that go way beyond the farming sector. For animal well-being, we need to systematically use a combination of at least 25 components, 13 vitamins, 6 trace elements, amino acids. Emissions of these products can cause problems for handlers, users, and the environment. We must not forget the environment. Therefore, Safety is a key factor. Safety is in fact the greatest challenge for the future, a challenge to be faced with a holistic view of the whole planet, the ability to anticipate problems, an accurate analysis of all the potentially hazardous factors, and a study of solutions to benefit humankind, animals, and the environment. Solutions such as BMP Technology.